Welcome. In front of me I have LG LED Smart TV, and I will show you how you can change keyboard language. So we have to grab your remote control and then tap on the settings. And when you are here in the settings, we have to simply navigate with arrows. So we have to scroll down and find general settings and click OK. Right now we have to go on the right arrow and find languages and click OK. Next you have to scroll down until you find the keyboard languages. So it's right here. Click OK to confirm. And as you can see here, we can easily change the language of our keyboard. So for example, we can change it for Espanol. Click OK on your remote control. And after that you can just simply click done. And it's changed. As you can see, currently we got two available languages. There's the English and Espanol. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.